How to create a TikTok account. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for TikTok. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So first, to make a TikTok account, here I'm gonna be using TikTok website, but you can also do it on TikTok app. The process will be pretty much same. So first up, open up any browser on your smartphone and then search TikTok. And tap on official website of TikTok, tiktok.com. Now as you're gonna create your TikTok account, here click on this person icon at the bottom right. Next, tap on sign up. And now here you can create your TikTok account. So you can create your TikTok account using your phone number or email address. Also you can continue with Facebook, Google and Twitter. By the way, here I highly recommend you guys to use your phone number or email. So here I'm gonna tap use phone or email. Now next, you're gonna select your birthday, and here you can select your birthday. So let me select my date of birth real quick. After putting your date of birth, click on next. Now here you can use your phone number. Also you can use your email. Here I'm gonna use my email. So I'm gonna tap on email. And here write down your email address. So let me put my email address. After putting your email address, tap on next. Now here you have to create your TikTok password. And your password must have 8 to 20 characters, including letters, numbers and special characters. So create a password on the basis of that. So let me create my password real quick. After creating your password, I can click on next. Now here you have to solve this puzzle. So let's drag this puzzle piece into that piece. And here verification has been completed. Now here you have to enter 6-digit code that TikTok sent to your email address. So let me check my email inbox real quick. So basically TikTok will send you a 6-digit verification code like this to your email, and you have to put this code here. So let me put my code. After putting your verification code, next you have to create your username. So here as you can see, this is a random username that is given by TikTok. Basically I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna create my own username. So let me create my username real quick. After creating your username, tap on sign up. And you can see it says login success. And here it is. I have successfully created my TikTok account, and this is how you can create your TikTok account on phone. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to upload full HD video on TikTok, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.